Now I will set up the OCR tool text reading. We will read the text 56 SW120 on the sample. Step 1. Stack the image optimizations. Select the text area need to read. Then click on OK. Which will automatically adjust the focus, lighting, then recommend 5 optimal images. We select the best one following our application. I select this. Step 2. Register live image. Step 3. Tool settings. First, see the position tool. I select the clips or text because it blends, so it will not change. Light adjustment to see the matching ratio is nearly 100%. Then select the OCR tool. Just select the text area. Click on Test Run. The read text corrected but still fail because in the reading setting here. Okay, click on this reading settings. Another model on the market on the old version of the Keyence vision. We can read only uppercase character, but this model can read the lowercase character and simple also. Yeah, you can see we have options. And you see we are enabling symbol reading, but our text not have the symbol, so we just disable this symbol reading. Okay, now it's green. We can move and result is stable. Move and move. Matching ratio still 100%. Okay, that's all for OCR tool.